Now let's look at traditional development model versus agile development model. Traditional development model, also known as waterfall model. It is known as plan-driven model. That means the plan creates the cost, schedule and the estimates for the project. Whereas in agile development model, the vision or value-based delivery creates the features and their estimates. The plan-driven model, which is in waterfall, is essentially known as iron triangle sometimes, wherein the features, cost and schedule are frozen, and if needed, the costs and schedules are increased as the project moves along. In the agile software development model, which is value-driven model, features are prioritized based on the value. High-value features are delivered first. Low-value features are delivered later in the life cycle of development. The cost and schedule are frozen and features are traded off, because the features at the bottom are low-value added features. We are okay if we cannot deliver those features. In case these features have to be delivered, we will be delivering them at extra cost.